Hello, and today we're gonna make a little sword, okay? Just a simple sword. Okay, so basically, inflate this balloon all the way, leaving like this much, like 3 fingers at the end. Like 2 fingers at the end. Okay, try the balloon. Try the balloon. One, like 2 finger bubble. And pinch twist. Right? Go around. Do a loop twist, like 5 fingers. And twist it around. Right? Okay, now do like a 2 finger bubble. Second 2 finger bubble. Third 2 finger bubble. Fourth 2 finger bubble. Now you grab the end of the balloon and feed through the first loop you did. And feed it through. And leave the handle like this. This is the handle. This is the side of the sword. And you got a nice little sword. You can adjust it. There we go. We have a nice little sword. Thanks for watching. I'm David Lima, and I'm from the Bama Balloon channel. Thank you so much, and subscribe.